Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. So there is a breaking news from the Cognizant related to new role, that is a multi-cloud engineer trainee. So they are sharing the consent form, next step, how to fill the consent form, what is about this mail. In the particular video we will discuss about everything. Like and share the video, and one most important point, for the Cognizant we already made one playlist on our channel, Cognizant 2024 off campus hiring. Everything is there guys in this playlist. Step by step registration process to exam pattern, communication assessment, aptitude assessment, okay, aptitude assessment and interview experience, everything is there. Okay, so one most important point, candidate shared the update with us. Cognizant off campus hiring multi-cloud engineer trainee request for consent towards role realignment. Okay, so first of all we have to discuss about the point what they are mentioning. Dear candidate, greetings from Cognizant. We are pleased to inform that you have successfully cleared the communication assessment and have been shortlisted for the next step of recruitment process. We congratulate you on the achievement. So first I have to mention 2024 batch candidate. Okay, so completed the digital workplace hiring, that is a CIS role engineer trainee. Okay, so Cognizant team is mentioning that you cleared the communication assessment of engineer trainee. Okay, we congratulate. Upon a detailed evaluation of your skill and expertise, we believe your profile aligned with more closely with the requirements of multi-cloud trainee engineer trainee rather than cloud infrastructure engineer trainee, which you were initially considered. Kindly check the attached job description for more details on the new role. We understand that this is change from the original plan, and we want to assure that decision is based on your assessment of your potential and current demands of organization. We believe this role will provide you better opportunity to utilize your skill and grow professionally. Your technical assessment and other subsequent stage of recruitment process will be remain unchanged. Okay, so firstly you applied for engineer trainee opportunity. Okay, and you appeared for the test, you appeared for the communication test. Now they are saying that you are more suitable for one of the role that is in the Cognizant, that is multi-cloud engineer trainee. Okay, so thank you for your understanding and cooperation. So before checking the consent form, let's check about the particular job description. So engineer trainee multi-cloud. Okay, so location is Bangalore, Chennai, Coimbatore, Hyderabad. Engineer trainee will be responsible for maintaining and administrating computing environment, includes system software, application software, hardware and configuration. Analyst will monitor the production, support, server, schedule, job, incident. Okay, so this is related to some tech part as well. This job is related to some technical things. Okay, as well as the cloud related. So this is the key responsibility of that. This is the role expectation. Compensation is same 4 lakh, and hiring process is still same as IT service desk. If I'm talking about IT service desk, so this is related to IT issues and IT services. Okay, so one most important point that I have to mention. Okay, suppose you want to go for IT support. Okay, so you can give your consent, and if you want to go for tech plus cloud, okay, that is good role, and that is a big change, we can say that. And it is one of the good opportunity that is provided by Cognizant team. Okay, because the if you see the multi-cloud engineer, okay, so you will see that there is a different responsibility of engineer training here. Okay, so it is also a good role, so it is one of the good role. So you have to fill the consent form. So how to open the consent form? You have to log in on Superset. Consent form for CIS multi-cloud engineer trainee off campus hiring engineer trainee, request for your consent. After thoroughly reviewing the job description, I hereby provide my consent to be considered for multi-cloud engineer trainee role. You have to select yes. After clicking yes, your form is submitted and they will share the next detail. So one most important point, this role is very good role guys, and you can choose. Okay, so process is same, registration, screening, you all completed the communication assessment. Now the second is aptitude and third is technical. After that full-time offer. 24 batch of BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc, any domain specialization can apply. It is one of the good important thing from the Cognizant. Okay, because in the engineer training only BE, BTech is eligible. Okay, but they are considering all the other courses as well. So this is the good opportunity from the Cognizant team. Okay, candidate already shared the update with us, okay, in the evening, and you appeared for engineer trainee exam, right? Yes. So Cognizant multi-cloud engineer trainee consent mail, many candidates receive the update from Cognizant. Okay, and if you not receive any kind of update, just wait. Okay, most probably they will send the mail continuously. Okay, they will send mail continuously and you will receive a mail in the next upcoming days. Okay, so this is all about the today's video, and it is a very good change from the Cognizant team. I appreciate, because this hiring is very good for the Cognizant team. Like this hiring is very good for the all the candidates. Okay, I hope you like the video. If you have any kind of doubt, let me know in the comment section. Like and share the video. Thanks for watching the video.